This product is from the Nework company. So this one is a 4K autofocusing webcam, and it has so much that was just really, great autofocus, incredible exposure, good color right out of the box, no drivers, driver-free installation. It has a adjustable tilt and a backer here to connect to your laptop or any other device. It's got a decent sized cord. We like to do the full stretch. That's 6 feet. So you got a 6-foot cord to get to the back of any PC or other stuff. The drawback right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's USB-A, which, I would have been okay because we've got adapters now. We can do a USB-A to USB Type-C, so you can use it with your MacBook that only has that. Problem is, it's only USB-A, USB 2. Privacy shutter, built-in microphone. Microphone's a little bit soft, I'll say, just on the recording, you're gonna hear it. But overall, super excited to show you this one. The drawback, and man, I gotta talk to these guys. So this is the EasyCam 501. The detail increased a little bit. Colors I can work on, but you'll see it's doing that autofocusing that I was talking about. One of the things you'll notice that I'm doing in this camera, and actually I can just show you right here. So notice how it's blurring a little bit when it's got motion, especially when it's got more motion, it's gonna start to blur. That's because of the USB 2. So a little bit of a drawback. I'm using a $500 GoPro over here, $32 webcam over here. So again, very decent color contrast. This is a very hard studio to work in with the harsh lighting that I've got. It automatically adjusted. I didn't have to change anything. So that's a pretty cool feature. So this one has the box right here, the EasyCam 501, 77-degree field of view, autofocus, privacy filter. I could do an entire show with this. I don't know if you can still hear me, but this is from Nework. This is their EasyCam 501.